Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I'm going to be giving Natasha Denona a second chance. I say that because I got these two palettes in my boxy charm. This was a year ago and this was last month. And the first time I used this one I wasn't so intrigued by it. So when I received this one I was like, I'm going to try it and see if I like it and if it changes my mind. So if you want to see how that performed and how I did this look, keep on watching. So in my boxy charm last month, the box of April, I got this palette from Natasha Denona. And when I saw it, I was not that excited, and I'll tell you why. Because a few months ago, I can't remember which month, I also got another Natasha Denona palette in my boxy charm, which was this one. And I used it in a video, I think last year. Honestly, I was not impressed by this palette at all. And I used mostly all of them except for the shimmer, I think. Or I did use the shimmer, I don't remember. I think I used 4 out of the 5 colors. And I mean, it wasn't bad, don't get me wrong. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great either. And I can find a lot of cheaper palettes with even more eyeshadows for a better price and the same quality or even better quality. So when I got this one last month, I was like, oh, is it gonna happen again? But I want to try it just to give it a second chance to see if it changes my mind. Maybe the colors, maybe I got a dud. I don't know. Maybe this one just wasn't the best quality and maybe this one's better. So I'm gonna give this one a try to see if it changes my mind. Plus, I wasn't so thrilled about I was confused about the color scheme. Because you have a random black there, and then pastel colors. I mean, I don't mind the black. It's interesting. So let's see how this goes. I already have my full face on, so I'm just going to go straight in with the eyeshadow. Oh, and Natasha Denona's shadow retails for $48. $48 for 5 shadows. Does that make sense to you? Because it doesn't make sense to me. So for $48 for just 5 shadows, I'm expecting this to wow me to another level. That's why I think I was not impressed with this one. So let's see. I don't know what look I'm gonna do, so I'm thinking here, what am I gonna do? Because it's just an odd choice of colors. Let me start with this one. So I thought I was recording, sorry about that. What I did was I took this shade all over my eyelids and above, and now I'm bringing it down below. This next shade, right next to it, and deepen the crease. Gotta say they're blending really nicely. So it has 2 shimmers here, the yellow one and this blue one. I'm deciding what to do. I'll take a smaller brush and put that dark shade in the outer corner just to see. I was wondering, where's the pigment? Blue. Yeah, it's blue. Oh, it's blue. It's a very dark blue. It's pretty, actually. I'm just gonna pack that on the outer corners and I'll blend later. It's more, it has shimmer in it. Very little shimmer, and I think that's why it's not really picking up on the brush that much. Not like the matte ones. This shade is really hard to work with. You have to really struggle to blend it. It took a while to get to this point. I'm gonna put that same blue on the outer corner of my lash line, my lower lash line. I'm gonna take that blue, put it in my eyelid. I'm gonna use my finger. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. This is so pretty. I'm gonna wet the brush to see if that helps. Let me pat it, because if I swipe it, it kind of erases from that area. So I'm just gonna pack it on. First shade, let me blend this out here. And what I'm gonna do now is put that yellow in the inner corner. Gonna have to wet my brush again. Put that blue, the light blue, the shimmer blue on the lower lash line, this one. So I'm back. This is the final look. I got some thoughts. I used all of the colors. I made sure to use all of them. Some worked better than the others. The mattes are perfect. I have no complaints with the mattes. Definitely this one, it's hard to blend. You need to take your time and really sit there and blend, because it's a little bit difficult to blend. It takes more work. Then the shimmers, I think this one actually was better than this one. So I don't know what's that about. I don't think this is worth $48. It's just, it isn't. It isn't. Even if all 5 shades worked perfectly, it still wouldn't be worth $48. That's just me. You do what you want to do, and you do whatever you want with your money. It's up to you to decide if you think this is actually worth $48, almost $50. For me, it's a pass. That's the second time I tried it, and honestly, I would never purchase anything from them, because with these 2 experiences, I made up my mind. I mean, some colors are pretty, yes, but you could get those same colors in other palettes which are way cheaper than this. Those are my thoughts, my opinions about the Natasha Denona palettes. But for me personally, I pass. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.